Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Solution, where I share simple tech tips to make your digital life easy. In this video, I will show you the most useful Windows shortcuts that most people don't know but use every day once they learn them. Let's jump right in. Press Window and D together to instantly show or hide your desktop. So if you are on app, while you press Window and D together, you will instantly go to desktop. And if you are on desktop and you press Window and D together, you will be back to your app. It is perfect when you have many windows open and want a quick look at your desktop icon. The second shortcut is Window and comma together. If you need to peek at your desktop without minimizing everything, hold Window and comma. It gives you a quick preview of your desktop. Release the keys and you are right back to work. Window and V. This one is a game changer. Press Window and V to open Clipboard history. Here you can see everything you have copied recently. Even you can pin frequently used texts. So after you restart or shut down your laptop, you will find the pinned history here. If you need emojis, symbols, or GIFs first, press Window and dot. You will open the emoji panel. You can add emojis anywhere, even in command prompt or file explorer names as well. Windows plus icon or window plus minus icon. If you want to zoom anywhere on your screen, press window and plus, and window and minus to zoom out. To return to your normal view, press window and escape together. This built-in magnify is super helpful for reading small texts. Ctrl and K. In browsers and most text editors, press Ctrl and K. Let you insert a hyperlink instantly. If you are on browser and you press Ctrl K, you will directly go to the search bar. If you are on text editors, press Ctrl and K to insert a hyperlink instantly. If you accidentally close the browser tab, just press Ctrl Shift and T to reopen the latest closed tab, even multiple ones. You will thank yourself for remembering this one. Windows and Tab, press Window and Tab to open Task View. A timeline of all your open apps and desktops will appear here. You can move between apps using your arrow keys. You can even create and switch between virtual desktops here. If you want stepping away from your PC, lock it instantly with Window and L key. It keeps your system secure while you are away. Window Shift and S. This is my favorite for screenshots. Press Window Shift and S to capture a part of your screen using the snipping tool. You can drag to select any area and paste it directly into apps like Paint or Word. If you need to find something in a file, web page, or documents, press Ctrl and F, then type your keyword. It will highlight all matches instantly. Press Window and E to open File Explorer instantly. This is perfect for accessing your files without clicking icons. So there you go, some of the best, most underrated Windows shortcuts that can save your time every day. Which one was new to you? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more smart tech tips here on Tech Solution. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.